Ready?
Mm-hmm.
This is banana yogurt. Show us your trick. Are you getting camera shy? Show us your trick. Oh, that was a little bit of your trick. Tyler.
If you do it, doesn't encourage him.
Good boy. You like your yogurt, huh? Yummy, huh? You have a beard. Yogurt beard. What? What's so funny? Just a little bit more. Yummy, huh? Yummy yogurt.
Kicking of leg.
Wow. So exciting, huh? Wow.
Whoa, what was that?
Whoa. Get too much in your mouth at once? Whoa. Whoa. What's going on? What's going on, Tyler? What in the world are you doing? Do you want more? Tyler? You're still making a mess, huh?
This yogurt makes him weird.
Tyler, do you want more? Silly boy. You just think you're so funny, huh? There you go. There's your funny trick. Hey, just a tiny bit more.
Where'd you learn that trick from, baby?
See if I can get you just a tiny, tiny bit more.
No more.
All gone. All gone. It doesn't